Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete a page or post in WordPress website. So very simple and basic way guys to delete a page or post. Firstly, hover cursor to post, then here click on all posts. You can delete any specific post and also you can delete more than one post. So select post which you want to delete. In my case I want to delete these all posts. Now here hover cursor to bulk actions, then select move to trash. You will not see delete option here. You will see move to trash. Select it, then apply. So these all pots are in trash bin, and click here now trash to delete permanently. Click on empty trash, and here is the option to delete one by one. Just hover cursor on that post which you want to delete, like this one, and select trash. But make sure once you send this post to trash, it will appear in trash. To delete permanently, in tracks, in trash box you will see option. In trash tab you will see now option delete permanently. Click on it, and also you can restore from trash. And similar method you can delete pages. Hover cursor to pages, all pages. Select a page which you want to delete, like this one. Select it and click on trash. Now here click on this trash tab. Here you can restore or delete permanently. That's it. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.